Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Apple ID used for iCloud and the one signed into Messages. Write them down. Once done, make sure your iPhone has the latest iOS, stable Wi-Fi, and two-factor authentication ready. This prevents lockouts. Back up your device to iCloud or to a computer now, because switching ID can remove locally stored data. Now, go to Settings and tap your name. This is where you'll verify and prepare to unify accounts safely. Next, sign out of the service that uses the wrong Apple ID, either Messages or iCloud, on the device. If prompted, choose to keep a copy of contacts, calendars, and messages locally. You'll reconcile them in a moment. Then sign back in using the primary Apple ID you intend to use for both iCloud and Messages. When iOS asks to merge data, choose the option that preserves the most complete dataset. Make sure Messages in Settings Messages is set to use that. Finish by opening Settings Messages, send and receive and verify only the desired Apple ID, emails, and phone numbers are listed. Remove any old entries. Restart your device, then send a test iMessage and confirm iCloud data syncs to contacts and photos. If things still differ, sign out of all devices, reset iCloud keychain, and sign in one device at a time. This forces a clean sync. If you hit errors, note the exact message. That helps with targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.